Hey guys, what's up? It's TK421 back today with another video. And today I am going to be talking about the Dogman characters. Almost like it's kind of a remake of my Ninjago characters. It's shorter and it's about Dogman this time, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe for I make videos maybe once or twice a week, so for more videos. So here we have Dogman, obviously. So Dogman, he's a dog-headed cop. Yeah, still, when I first read Dogman, I thought that these were not actually badges, but they're badges, supposedly. And then here we have PD, which, from the first to the fourth, he's bad, and then from this, from for for 6 and 7, he's getting good, and then 8 and 9, he's good, which I like the good one, actually. So, what is it? 6 and 7. Oh my god, I messed up. Let me just say that again. Okay, so from 1 to 4, he's good. 5 to 7, he's changing. And then 5 to 6, he's changing. And then 7 to 9, he's good. It's been a while since I've read the Dogman books, actually. So, and then we got Little Petey, introduced in A Tale of Two Kitties. He is adorable, and yeah, Petey wanted him to become evil, but then Little Petey's what made Petey good, And then we got Chief, which, why does Chief always smile? I don't know, I just like him for some reason. I like the character, yeah. Chief, he's a big character in the Dogman series. True Dogman, but well, the Dogman fans will know that, obviously. And then we got Sarah, the news reporter. Like, the soldier thing. The hand on her head, yeah. Sir, sir! It's almost like she's doing that. Yeah, and then we got Flippy, or we got Flippy over here. Oh, he is super cool. Yay. He's a bad guy at first, from 2 and 3, and then, they just make him disappear. And then I'm guessing for fan requests, they bring him back in Fetch 22. And then, yeah, we got ADHD, which I should have put maybe before Chief. I don't know, because he's one of the super buddies. And ADHD, I wish he could talk. So is Dogman, so I can know what they're thinking. It'd be fun. I mean, I can't. If there was a Dogman movie, I would be so happy. Be like a dream come true, literally. And then yeah, we got Grandpa, which I think Grandpa might actually be the main bad guy of the Dogman series, because he's the very reason that Petey was evil in the first place. Also, alongside the fleas, but still. And then we got, the fleas. You can partially see Bub and Piggy here, because recording screen is for some reason small. I still can't edit this because I gotta pay money for that. Okay, and then we got Dr. Scum, and obviously we got Super Mecha Philly. I thought I put Super Mecha Philly because he's been in a few of the Dogman books. Philly, I thought Super Mecha Philly looks the best out of all the Phillies. I mean, he's a taco. If he was real, I'd eat him because I love tacos. And then Dr. Scum, I think he's an alien. And then we got Zuzu, which for all you Zuzu fans, please don't be disappointed that I put her this far here. And then we got Molly and the Fair Fairy. And yeah, Molly's like, oh my god, that's the Fair Fairy! And the Fair Fairy's like, ah ha 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 ha. Oh, what? I never knew that could happen. And then we got Big Jim. You can, I think that's Grandpa or Petey's arm. There. I forget which book that image is from. I'll read some books today, maybe. Then we got George. I hate this. Then we got, of course, George and Harold. The creators of Dogman, the creators of Captain Underpants. Well, technically Dave Pilkey is, but they pretend that they're the creators. And then yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and bye!